Hi, I'm Zach Schultze, and this is my bike check. Got a Haro SD downtown frame, 20.5, back wheel, demo hub, alienation runaway rim, animal tire, it's heavy as shit. Got a shadow seat, stolen seat post, got a fit sprocket, it's normal heavy duty cam seat chain, Colt cranks, Colt OS, premium pedals, they're pretty cool. And for the front I got demolition hub, demolition rim, heavy ass FAF, headset, got a premium with the Colt cap, got stock fit, stem, shadow, voltage bars, Colt grips. For the forks I got Stone Vortex, and I got Stone Barnes, and that's about it. Yeah, that's my bike check.